Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says let u vector, v vector, and w vector be a vector such that u plus v plus w equals 0. When magnitude of u vector is given, magnitude of v vector is given, magnitude of w vector is given, and we need to find out this content. Okay, so it is sum taken two at a time. So suppose that you have a plus b plus c equals to 0 and you need ab plus bc plus ca. Don't you think you know this person? Yes. If we will do a plus b plus c whole square, we get a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So you got combination of ab bc ca, na? So we will use that idea over here. So if we have u vector plus v vector plus w vector equals 0, we will do square both sides. So it is magnitude of u vector, magnitude of v vector, magnitude of w vector plus 2 times u dot v plus 2 times v dot w plus 2 times u dot w equals 0. Okay, now let's simplify things. So u vector, magnitude of u vector is 3. So 3 square is 9, then 16, then 25. You guys can take 2 common. uv vw wu equals to 0. Okay, now if you'll observe, it is 50. So 50 that side, we got uv vw wu equals minus 50 by 2 equals minus of 25. Okay, hence the required value is what? Minus of 25. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.